Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System Management. Then let's tap on Date and Time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers here, and now we can freely tap on Date and choose the date from the calendar. So you can quickly change the month and the year. And choose the date, the day from the calendar here. Confirm it with OK, it will be immediately applied. And the time, just tap on it, and here by swiping, change the time to the desired one. Tap on OK, it will be set. The time zone, same here, simply tap on it and then tap on region. Here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions, so find yours and tap on it. It will be immediately set. Of course, you can choose specific region. And here we've got also the time format. So basically, we can either use the system local, which is more or less automatic option, or we can manually decide. So we can use 24-hour format, which is currently applied, or set 12-hour format just by turning off this switcher. So it's completely up to you, of course. And this is the whole customization of date and time in this device. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those two switchers right here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.